today we're going to make a quick video of how to remove the passenger headlight on a 2012 Chevy Silverado. The first thing you're going to have to do is remove the cowl on top and remove the grille. The cowl just simply has these retainer clips, and then the grille has these screws up on top. You will need a needle nose to reach behind the grille and unlock all these locking pins just like so, and pull the grille out, and then do the next one and pull the grille out. I did top ones first, then those bottom ones. There's also some in the corner. That one's broken. I didn't break that one. But anyways, this one's going to be a quick video because that process is already done. Next thing we're going to do is remove these two 10mm screws that are here, and there's one located right in here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take these off. Oops. Sorry, wrong one. Looking at the screen. And this one here. There it is. So let's go ahead and remove those by hand and put them in a nice safe location. Okay, what we're going to do is turn the wheel out to the passenger side to the right. That way you have a little bit more clearance here. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and reach up in here. And there's the screw we got to loosen up. So let's go ahead and loosen that up real quick. You will need a 10mm wrench. Once you have that loose, you're able to pop out the lens or the headlight. There it is. Now you want to be careful when you take this out because there's this little latch here that's holding it into place. What I did was grab my trim tool and work my way in here, work that over, pull the lens out slowly, go ahead and finesse it out, and then there it is. So now what you want to do is go ahead and remove this pigtail from here, grab the light out, and what we're going to do is remove these light bulbs and this pigtail and these here, and get this out. So we have this ready for the installation. But that is how you remove the passenger headlight on a 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.